Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a tutorial on bookkeeping, how to record journal entry for undeposited funds. So the undeposited funds account is used when we received cash where we received cash in the form of check, but that has not been deposited or that has not been cleared in the bank. So in that case, we use the undeposited funds, and this funds account is usually audited by the auditors as part of cash whenever they are auditing cash and cash equivalent. So we're going to see an example of how to record the journal entry. So assuming we had account receivable as at year end, so 29th of December, but we couldn't go to the bank. We received a check relating to this account receivable, but we couldn't go to the bank to deposit the check. In that case, we already received the check, but we can't put it in cash, so we need to create an account called undeposited funds. And then now I'm going to show you how we record the journal entry. So we're going to click on journal entry, new journal entry, and then here I'm just going to put the narration as check received. So I'm going to credit my account receivable. So assuming we received a check of $2,500, I'm going to credit that account, and then I'm going to debit my undeposited funds account. So I'm going to debit that account for $2,500. Okay, and then I'm going to create the journal entry. So if we go back to our summary, we're going to see that we don't have anything in our account receivable again, and the undeposited funds we have 2,500. Okay, so this will be in this account until the new year when we are able to deposit the check in the bank. So assuming it's the new year and we deposit the check in the bank, now we have to remove, clear this account and bring it back to zero. So we are going to receive cash received. Okay, go to new receipt, and then I'm going to do like we just received the money in the bank. So here we have different bank. I'm going to choose any bank that I deposited the check. Okay, and then I'm going to credit my undeposited funds account because we need to bring it to zero for that amount, 2,500. Okay, and then I'm going to click create. So once we go back to our summary, to our financial statement, we are going to see that our undeposited funds is now zero. Okay, and that money has been added to our cash. Okay, so that is what you do whenever you have a check that could not be deposited as at year, and you need to create a separate account. You cannot put it as cash. You need to create a separate account called undeposited funds. Then after the year end, when that cash check is cleared in the bank, then you can put it into cash. Okay, so that whenever the auditors are auditing, they don't have any issues relating to your cash and cash equivalents. So this is the journal entry for undeposited funds. I hope this video helps you today. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video, and bye.